Welcome to Drug and Disease. Just 30 seconds to remove a painful headache. There is no longer a painful problem and the problem headache. The other is a headache when it is not possible to work properly. Cannot concentrate on work because of headache. The headache is not working anytime. It is likely to increase even more pain. But if you have to work, you know what, just 30 seconds you can remove this headache. Acupressure method. In ancient times, when it was not this kind of medicine or acupuncture methods, people depend on the method was called. China is still prevalent in some place well in these acupressure methods, while science and scientists cannot rely too much on the approach. People are still using this technique in the past, especially in the long-term disease of many kinds of disease and disorder to get rid of the pain. Yet in many parts of the world, this is practiced acupuncture and acupressure method. Headache problem could be solved in just 30 seconds. The system How to do? See image above. The fleshy part of your hand between the thumb and index finger is a part of the red dot, shows the place to find out. This place is called a Haku spot, Chinese medicine. Thumb and the index finger of your other hand on the place, hold the pressure for 30 seconds. You will see some of headache out, will be likely magic. Not only that, this is place to hold. The headache will go away with anxiety and emotional pressure. Thank you.